Hi, my name is Amanda Blass from Hair by Amanda Blass, and today I'm going to show you how to create a big boho braid using clip hair clip-in extensions color number 9613. Okay, to start, you need to take a section from the top left-hand side of the hair. We are going to create a Dutch fishtail braid with this. To create a Dutch fishtail braid, you have two sections. You take a piece from your left-hand side, cross it to the right, and then you take a piece from your right-hand side and cross it to the left. You then take a piece of hair from the remaining hair on the bottom, add it to your left-hand side before you cross it over, and then take a piece from the remaining hair, add it to your right-hand side before you cross it over to the left. You continue doing this through the crown of the hair, keeping it a Dutch fishtail braid, just simply taking one piece from the left, crossing it over, and then one piece from the right. When you get to the crown, you are going to then just finish the remaining strand of the hair with a regular fishtail braid. No need to add any pieces from the rest of the hair at this point. So simply fishtail the rest of that strand of hair all the way down, repeating those same sections over and over. Clip that hair aside, and now we are going to take the second section of hair, which is all of the right side of the hair, and we are going to twist that. It's a simple twist. Just grab it, twist it to the left, and then pull it out nice and big so it has that boho effect. Clip that with a bobby pin underneath your fishtail braid. We are now going to take our third and remaining section of the hair, which is the bottom left of the hair, everything that is left out, and create one big fishtail braid. This is not a Dutch fishtail, so we do not need to be adding sections. You simply take a piece from the left-hand side, cross it to the right, and then take a piece from the right-hand side and cross it to the left. Repeat these same two steps all the way down the strands of the hair, simply crossing one section of the hair to the other, and then the other section of hair to the other. Take as small of sections as possible. The tinier the pieces of hair that you take, the more that we'll be able to pull it out nice and big and create that big boho effect. So tiny sections from the left, cross it to the right, tiny section from the right, cross it to the left, repeat over and over all the way down the strands of the hair. This is actually a very simple braid. It's just very tedious. So just remember to keep taking those small sections and crossing them down, and the smaller they are, the more time consuming it is, the more intricate and detailed it will look at the end. So when you have finally reached the end of this braid, we are then going to pancake it out. This is going to be the biggest part of the braid, so you want to pull it out really, really huge. Start from the bottom once it is elastic, and take that piece, each tiny little piece, and pull it out really huge, working your way from the very bottom all the way to the very top. So you'll see me grabbing these pieces now, and you can see how full I'm pulling them. Just continue doing that all the way up the strand of the hair. Then you flip that hair over across the shoulder once you have it as big and full as you want it, and we are going to now tie in those other two sections into this big braid. So take your twisted section, continue twisting it all the way down the strand of the hair, pull it out nice and big, and then we are going to take the other section, continue just braiding that down. This is a regular 3-strand braid. It's just going to be tucked in the braid, so it doesn't have to be fancy. It does need to be really big. Big and messy is the key here. Tuck that braid into your big fishtail braid, and then tuck your remaining twisted piece into your fishtail braid. Tuck all of those pieces around. Make sure everything is pulled out as big as possible. We want big and messy, but we want all remaining pieces to be clean and tucked away. You have now created your big boho fishtail braid, and it is beautiful. Thank you for watching.